lean problem solving and QC tools for industrial engineers. What is the problem? Why solutions are important? Have a look. A big hello to everyone.
A big hello to everyone here. I feel glad. I must say I have golden memories of my student life. For last 25 years in industry, I have lived two distinct lives. A lifelong student and an occasional teacher. That I can share a small new thing here in this forum that might be interesting to you all. Today, I intend to share with you something that I think is the holy grail of professional success. An engineer like you will work for various industries and various positions. Same happened to me. I had a great challenge to learn a different set of subjects at different depths. There, you do not remain a professional only in your core technical field. You deal with people with completely different background, and many a time, all your team members are more qualified than what you are. And as a team leader, you have to learn from them. Whatever is your core subject, whatever subject you may have to deal with, as a leader, you have to learn the art of solving problems. In refractory, the cold MOR is okay, but the hot MOR is not okay. In blast furnace, crustable trough is getting eroded fast. In glass, melt is not seed free. Transparency is not coming. The lead time for raw material is very high. The productivity is very low. The cost of production is very high, and so on. You have to deal with so many problems every day in your life. When you join an organization, the operation has been going on. The engineer is employed for problem solving, and these problems can be of any nature. I may sound a little dramatic here, but I mean it. The most fundamental of all skills is the skill of solving problems. This can be in professional as well as in personal life. The idea is to find and learn a general philosophy of problem solving that is applicable to various challenges. I take interviews of youngsters and experienced professionals. I find that basic difference between a fresher and an experienced professional's capabilities is the skill of problem solving. What the professional applies in work, but the youngster tries to learn. You know what differentiates? Is the experience. Experience is not what you do, but what you learn from what you do. This is tricky. You learn while solving problems. The question remains, how do you solve problems? I have discussed with various professionals, engineers and professionals and teams of engineering and management colleges. I found that everyone recognizes the importance of an altogether different subject that deals with industrial problem solving. Very much like statistics, economics, engineering drawing and physics. And this is to be taught in undergraduate classes. While searching, I found no such book which can deal with this matter holistically. There lies a gap. A publication house, Taylor & Francis, the CRC Press, came forward and proposed publish on this topic.
Manufacturing and service sector need to resolve a lot of issues relating to product, process and service in everyday operation. Successful resolution depends on the methodology, rigor and systematic implementation techniques. The essential purpose of this book is to impart the necessary knowledge to the reader about concepts in lean problem solving. By providing sufficient knowledge of problem life cycle and ways to address the various issues arising therein. A student and a professional must know these concepts to address a problem in an industrial engineering setup. Who should read this book? An advocate, a boss, a teacher, an engineer, a doctor, a private detective. Practically everyone who faces problems in daily life should read this book.
And then came the research part. What to include and what not to. This took some time. Finally, the book is to be published by March 2019. I have provided a handout of summary of a series of lectures I have delivered on this topic. You may find it interesting to go through.
The 7 QC tools and A3 strategy are described and analyzed in detail with various examples encompassing our step-by-step approach.
I made an effort to communicate the ideas of problem solving in very easy language. The ideas will be helpful to all professionals, young and experienced alike. Also, I tried to explain the concepts of problem solving to the youngsters who are just in their undergraduate studies or individuals who are comparatively new in the field of work. I included many examples from industry. You will all like it, and there are very interesting illustrations. Understanding these timeless fundamentals of problem solving will help you resolve issues not only in industrial manufacturing but also in daily life. These ideas can motivate you to follow a methodical approach and be disciplined in everything you do. This knowledge will make you ready for the first day in industry. You will find some more information on Amazon.com or just Google my name Maharshi Samanta plus the word lean. You will get all the necessary information there. Hope you will enjoy reading. Before I end, I must say again, I thank you all for coming here and gathering here for a cause which is so close to my heart. I wish you have enjoyed this, and when you read the book, you will enjoy further. I wish you live a life fully achieved. Thank you, my friends. Happy reading.